Morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of God. Today we are going to learn social studies subject. In social studies subject, what did we learn last week? We learned lesson 1. What's the name of the lesson? Food we eat. What's the name of the lesson? Food we eat. Now we are going to have a recap. What did we learn last week? What did we learn last week? That we are going to have a recap. What is food? Things that we eat are called food. Things. What are the things that we are eating are called food. Then, when do we eat food? When do we eat food? We eat food when we are hungry. When do we eat food? We eat food when we are hungry. Then, why we need food? Why we need food? Why we have to eat food? We have to eat food to grow big. To grow big. To grow big, we need food. Then, why we need food? We need food to stay healthy. To become a healthy person, we need food. Then, we need food to become strong. To become a strong boy, strong girl, strong man, strong woman, we need food. Then, we need food to get energy to study and play. Get energy to study and play. For learning the lessons and to play, we need energy. How we get energy? By eating food only, we can get energy. So, we have to eat food. We need food to get energy to study and play. Now, we are going to see the remaining part of the lesson 1. What do we eat? Okay, food we need to get energy to do our work. And what are the food items we are eating? Now we are going to see. First one is, what is this? Fruits. Very good. We eat fruits. We eat fruits, no? You all like to eat fruits, no? You have to tell your mommy, daddy to prepare a fresh fruit juice and you have to drink. Okay, children? Don't drink the bottle juices. It's bad for our health. You have to drink fresh juices prepared at home. Okay? Now, look at the next one. Other thing what we eat? We eat vegetables. Very good. We eat vegetables. Some vegetables we can eat raw also, no? Yes, that vegetables you can eat it raw. And other vegetables you have to eat. You have to eat plenty of vegetables. And next thing what we are eating? We are eating dal, chapati and rice. Very good. We eat dal, chapati and rice. And other than that, we eat eggs and meat. We all are eating eggs and meat? No. Some of us eat eggs and meat. Some of us eat eggs and meat. Not all the persons are eating eggs and meat. Some persons are eating eggs and meat. They are called as non-vegetarian. And the persons who are eating vegetables, they are called as vegetarians. Now you understand? Yes. And the next thing we are drinking. We are drinking also. What we are drinking? We drink milk and juice. Good. We drink milk and juice. And then all our mummy daddy drink only milk? No. Mummy and papa drink tea and coffee. They both drink coffee and tea. Mummy and papa drink tea and coffee. And then who drink only milk? Yes, you are right. Babies drink only milk. Small babies drink only milk. And then Apart from that, what other things we drink? We have to drink water. Very good. We have to drink water. Our body needs water. Our body needs water. We must drink plenty of water every day. Daily we should drink plenty of water. 8 glasses of water we should drink. That is good for our health. Now you understand what are the things we are eating? Now you understand? Fruits, vegetables, very good, dal, chapati, rice, and some of us eat eggs and meat, and we drink milk and juice. Mummy and papa drink tea and coffee, and babies drink only milk. And all of them have to drink water. Very good. We must drink plenty of water. These are the food items we are taking. Okay. And then these are the things we are eating and drinking. And some other things we have to remember to keep our body healthy. Okay. What are the things we have to remember? Shall we see? Yes. First, what we have to do? We have to wash our hands before and after eating anything. Anything what you eat, after finish eating and before eating that eatable, you should wash your hands. Now it's Corona time. We have to wash our hands many times a day, no? Yes. So we have to wash our hands before and after eating anything. Next, what we have to remember? We have to eat clean and fresh food. We have to eat clean and fresh food items only we have to eat. We shouldn't eat the stale food. Okay. Next, what we have to remember? Do not waste food. Do not waste food. Take only what you can finish. How much food item you can eat, that you have to eat. Don't keep so much food items in your plate and throw it in the dustbin. It's a bad habit. Don't do like that. How much food you need, that much you keep it in your plate and you have to eat. Okay, children? Good. Next, at last, what you have to do? You have to rinse your mouth after eating anything. After eating anything, the food particles are there in between our teeth. So we have to remove it, no? Otherwise it will produce germs between the teeth, no? So we have to rinse our mouth after eating anything. Now you understand the lesson, children? Yes. Now you are going to do the book exercises. Shall we do it? Yes. Read and answer. Part A. Circle the correct answers. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. We need books or food when we are hungry. What you need when you feel hungry? What you need? You need a food. Otherwise, you need books to read. You need food. So they say give a circle here. And look at the next one. Number 2. Babies drink milk. M-I-L-K, milk, or T-E-A-T. Which one babies drink? I show you in the picture, no? Yes, you are right. Babies drink only milk. This is the correct answer. Okay. And look at the third one. Our body needs toys. T-O-Y-S, toys, or W-A-T-E-R, water. Our body needs toys or water. Which one our body needs? Our body needs water. Very good. You're right. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. And look at the last one. We must never waste. W-A-S-T-E, waste, or E-A-T, eat food. We must never waste or eat food. Yes, very good. We must never waste food. So you have to circle this. Now you understand this, no, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at the next one. Part B, fill in the blanks. Choose words from the mango. Here you have a mango picture and you have options are there inside the mango. Now we are going to read the question and we have to choose the option from the mango and we are going to write. Number 1, things we eat are called food. Very good. Food. Food. And look at the next question. Food helps us to. Food helps us to. From a small girl to a, from a small baby to a big girl. How we got to say? Growing. Very good. Grow. So the answer is grow. What's the spelling for grow? It's here. What's the spelling? Can you say? Yes. G-R-O-W. Grow. Good. And look at the third one. We must drink plenty of. Which one we have to drink plenty, I told you. Yes, you are right. Plenty of water. What's the spelling for water? W-A-T-E-R. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay. Now, look at the fourth one. We must eat clean and dash food. We must eat clean and fresh. Very good. Fresh food. What's the spelling for fresh? F-R-E-S-H. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Okay. Now you understand, children? Yes. Shall we read once again? Number 1, things we eat are called food. Food. Number 2, food helps us to grow. Number 3, we must drink plenty of water. Number 4, we must eat clean and fresh food. Now you understand this? Shall we pass on to part C? Think and answer. Now you are going to think and answer to me. Read the sentence and tick the correct picture. Okay, now what's the question? You cut this on your birthday. What are the pictures are here? Newspaper is here and then cake is there. Which one you cut on your birthday? On your birthday, which one you cut? You cut paper for your birthday? No, you cut cake. So you got to give a tick in this cake. You understand? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now, do and learn. Do and learn. Part D, activity. What is it? Activity. Draw lines to put the fruits in the correct baskets. Draw lines to put the fruits in the correct baskets. Which one? We have to put these fruits in the correct baskets. What is there in the basket? Shall we see? Peel before eating. Peel means we remove the skin of some fruits, no? Yes, that is peel before eating and do not peel before eating. Some fruits we have to peel the skin and then we have to eat, and some fruits no need to peel the skin. Now look at here. Already they match one thing. What is this? Orange. Orange, what we have to do? We have to peel the skin, otherwise we have to eat it fully. We have to peel it. So they match it to this basket. We have to peel before eating. Now look at the first one. Grapes. Grapes, what we have to do? We have to peel the skin of the grapes? No, no need to peel it. So what we have to do? We have to put it, do not peel before eating. No need to peel, no? Yes. And look at the next one. What is this? Papaya. What is this? Papaya. For eating papaya, what we have to do? We have to peel the skin of the papaya or no need? We have to peel. Good. So what you have to do? Where you have to put? You have to put it in the basket. Peel before eating. We should peel the skin, no? Yes. And look at the next one. What is this? Banana. Very good. Banana. What you have to do? You have to peel the skin. Otherwise, no need to peel. We have to peel the skin. Good. So we have to peel before eating. And look at the next one. What is that? Guava. Very good. What's that? Guava. And what you have to do? We have to peel the skin or not? Do not peel. We do not peel the skin before eating. So we do not peel the skin. For grapes, we should not peel the skin. For papaya, we need to peel. And for the banana, we have to peel. And for the guava, do not peel. Now you understand, no children? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here, part E. Circle these food items. Circle these food items. Some food items are here, no? What are the food items are there? DOSA, dosa, CHEESE, cheese, JAM, jam, RICE, rice, SUGAR, sugar, NUTS, nuts. What we have to do? We have to find out these spellings in this box and we have to circle it. Here they did it already, no? What are the spellings they did? CHEESE, cheese. They already found out. And then NUTS, nuts. That answer is also there, NUTS, nuts. And the remaining one we have to find out. The DOSA, dosa. Where is DOSA, dosa? Yes, it's here. DOSA, dosa. And then cheese answer is already there. And look at the next one. JAM, jam. JAM, jam. Where is JAM, jam? JAM, jam. And then look at the next one. RICE, rice. RICE, rice. And then sugar, SUGAR, sugar. Where's the answer? Sugar. Can you find out the answer? Yes. Yes, SUGAR, sugar. And look at the last one, NUTS, nuts. The answer is already here. Now you understand it clearly, children? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Part F, join the dots from 1 to 20. What did you get? Color it. Shall we see? And this girl is telling, wash it well before you eat. We have to wash this before we eat. Shall we see what is it? Yes. Shall we join the dots? From 1 to 20. We already learned 1 to 20 matching in maths also, no? Yes. Now you can do it correctly, no? Yes. Shall we do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. What picture you get? Yes, you are right. It's a tomato. What's the color of the tomato? Red. Very good. So you have to color this tomato as red. When we use tomato, what you have to do? You have to wash it. For cooking, your mother is going to use it for cooking. She has to wash it. After that only she has to use. If you want to eat the tomato raw, what you have to do? You have to wash the tomato. Afterwards you will eat. Okay, children? Now you understand this? Shall we pass on to the next one? Part G, values. Tick if you do this. What you have to do? Tick if you do this. Number 1. I wash my hands before eating. Are you washing your hands before eating? Daily you are washing your hands before eating. If you do this, no, you have to give a tick in the box. And then, I finish everything on my plate. I finish everything on my plate. What are the food items my mother is giving to me to have. I never waste anything. I eat all the food items. I am doing that way. Are you doing? If you are eating all the food and you didn't waste the food means you have to give a tick here. I am not wasting the food, so I am going to give a tick here. I am washing my hands before and after eating and I don't waste my food. For both the things I am doing, so I am giving tick on this. If you are doing this, you have to give a tick. Okay? The children, those who give a tick, 2 ticks if you get means smiley. And then 1 tick means no smile. 0 tick means bad. If you didn't wash your hands, what you have to do, children? From today onwards, you should wash your hand before and after eating. That's a good habit. From today onwards, you have to follow that. Okay? And then what you have to do? From today onwards, you shouldn't waste the food. What your mummy is giving, that you have to eat food. Mummy, daddy always give us a good things, no? Yes, they teach us good things and they give us good foods only. That you have to eat without wasting it. Okay, children? You all are good children. I hope you all give a tick in 2 boxes. Okay? If you didn't give a tick, don't worry. From today onwards, you should start following these rules. Okay, children? Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read and complete the lesson 1, the food we eat, pages 10, 11, 12 and 13. In pages 10 and 11, you have to read, and in the pages 12 and 13, you have to complete the book exercises. Okay, children, I hope you all understand the lesson clearly, or I hope you all love the lesson. We will meet in the next session, children. Thank you.